Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the dictation at the speed of 100 WPM near about. Ready? The topic of this debate is both timely and significant for our society full stop. Today we face many challenges that demand public attention and thoughtful disagreement between various stakeholders full stop. One must ask whether doing away with long standing traditions is always the best approach to progress. Full stop. Some say we should do away with outdated customs, while others argue that these customs have played a vital role for a number of years, shaping who are as a community. Full stop. There are those who support reforms that promise quick results, but we must remember that not every policy, once enacted, delivers the intended benefits. Full stop. For instance, the use of nuclear weapons is widely debated across many countries. Full stop. Prominent leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi both made efforts to impress upon the international community the importance of peace and cooperation at all levels. Full stop. As it was some time ago, the situation remains tense and we must collectively strive to promote understanding according to their guidelines. Full stop. In certain matters, there is no question that progress has been made. Full stop. The government has laid down specific provisions and guidelines to regulate various sectors. Full stop. Still, some policies might have been implemented too hastily. Full stop. As a result, we experience hurdles that require careful debate and measured solutions. Full stop. According to their arguments, some suggest drawing upon international examples to overcome problems that plague our society. Full stop. I shall now shift the focus to the education sector. Full stop. As laid down in parliamentary debates, there have been calls for reforms in curriculum and teaching methods. Full stop. In some other countries, students receive practical hands-on training from an early age. Full stop. To certain other policymakers, such reforms should be introduced in India to help equip our youth for future challenges. Full stop. However, there is a strong opposition to rapid changes, especially when traditions are at stake. Full stop. In certain other discussions, public opinion is divided. Full stop. Some believe change is essential for growth, while others feel that abrupt alterations can be disruptive. Full stop. For a number of years, experts have presented solutions, but not all suggestions translate into real world improvements. Full stop. I do not know if the current system can be fully replaced, but we do not know what happens if we never try new approaches. Full stop. In the case of the healthcare system, reforms have brought both positive and negative outcomes. Full stop. What happened in certain states is now being analyzed nationwide to check if similar strategies could be adopted somewhere else. Full stop. Stanza. What is happening today is indicative of larger issues that need continuous debate. Full stop. Is that the right approach, or should we trust traditional wisdom? Question mark. Whether it is education, health, or social policy, the question must be asked where it is necessary to intervene and where it is better to let the system evolve naturally. Full stop. In many countries, these questions have been debated for years, full stop. Some suggest that there should be universal models for progress, but others believe every nation is unique, full stop. This is being done not merely for academic purposes but to draw upon shared experiences for their own benefit, full stop, and over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी फॉर द एस्पायरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ट्रिपल एस एग्जाम ऑफ हाई कोर्ट ऑफ पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस.